This is how to tell if a Taurus likes you. Number 1, they take things slow. Tauruses are known for a cautious approach to relationships. If they like you, they're gonna take the time to get to know you. And when I say time, I mean slow time. Taurus is trying to build a solid foundation for you. Number 2, they show affection physically. Taurus is a very tactile sign, and physical touch is their love language, and it's how they express their feelings. They're gonna hug you, hold your hand, and find every excuse to be as close as possible. Number 3, they're generous. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and abundance. When a Taurus likes someone, they are gonna be super generous with their time, with their resources, and with their compliments. They will constantly surprise you with surprise gifts and thoughtful gestures. Number 4, Taurus will be super reliable. Taurus values stability and reliability in a relationship. If a Taurus likes you, they are going to put the effort to be around you and be there for you when you need them, whether that's offering a listening ear or helping with practical tasks. Number 5, a Taurus will prioritize quality time with you. Taurus enjoys the simple pleasures of life, and they'll often show their affection by spending quality time with you. Whether that's going for a leisurely stroll together, cooking a good meal, or putting on a really good movie and cracking open that bottle of wine. Number 6, they will show so much patience. Tauruses are known for their patience and endurance. If they like you, they're willing to wait. They're willing to invest the time and energy it takes to build a strong relationship. Number 7, they are protective, especially of their loved ones. If they like you, they're going to show it by exhibiting care for your well-being. They're going to offer advice when you need it, and they're going to stand up for you. Number 8, they share their passions with you. Tauruses are passionate about the things they love. Whether it's food, music, art, nature, sports. If they like you, they're going to want to share their interests with you and introduce you to the things that bring them joy. And number 9, Taurus is a loyal one. Once a Taurus develops feelings, they are committed. They'll prioritize you in the relationship and be there for you through thick and thin. Thanks so much for watching. Comment down below what your experience has been dating a Taurus, or if you're a Taurus, do you exhibit these signs when you're interested in someone?